We're going to find the slope, the y-intercept, and then we're going to graph and label our points. So first, we're working with the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, where the slope is found in front of the x, the coefficient in front of the x. You see that there's no coefficient there. So we're going to assume that it's an understood one. So y equals mx plus b. And currently we have a y equals x minus 5. And we're wondering what the m is. Well, it'll be an understood 1. So we're going to take m as 1. But we're going to turn that into a fraction and make it 1 over 1. So we can get a rise and a run number. Okay, so m is going to be 1, but we'll write that as 1 over 1. So we have rise and run. Okay, so we got our slope now. Now, our first point will be the y-intercept. The y-intercept comes from this number right here. This is going to be our y-intercept number. So we're going to write the y-intercept as 0 first for x and -5 for y. And that'll come from there. So 0, -5 is located right here. We'll plot that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, which is right here. So that is our 0, -5. And then for our rise and run, it tells us to rise 1 time and run 1 time. So from this point, we're going to rise 1 and run 1. That takes us to this point right here. Okay, now let's label that point. That point is x is 1 and y is -4. So we have our points, our slope. So let's put 1 -4 in there. Okay. And then just to make this complete, we're going to write a little line going through those 2 points. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, this time we have y equals x minus x plus 5. So our slope is going to be 1, or understood 1. But we're going to use 1 over 1 for our rise and our run. Okay. Now, then we need our first point will be the y-intercept. Since we have a 5 here, that's the b, that'll be our y-intercept. So we'll say 0 first and then 5. 0, 5 is our y-intercept. So let's go up to 0, 5. So 1, so starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is our y-intercept, 0, 5. Now, to get the next point, we have to use our slope. So we're going to rise 1 time and run 1 time. So let's rise 1 time and run 1 time. That takes us to this new point right here. The location of this point right here is x is 1 and y is 8. Okay, so that is 1, 8. And I'll just draw a line in between those two, connecting those two, and we're done. Okay. All right, next here. You'll notice that it is written out of position. Okay. So we want to change this from, or think of this, right now we want y equals mx plus b, and this is being written as y equals 4 minus 3x. And you see that we need to move the -3x over and the 4 over. So we'll write it as -3x plus 4. And so we'll treat it this way. So our slope is going to be the -3. And we'll turn it into a fraction. So -3 over 1. So now we have a slope. Our y-intercept will be the 4 here, the positive 4. So we'll have 0, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's my 0, 4 for my y-intercept. Now, using the slope, we're going to find the next point. So we're going to go, I know it says rise, but we're going to fall 3 times, and then we're going to run 1 time. So let's fall 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then run over 1 time to here. So this is our new point. I know I drew it badly. But the x for this point right here is 1, and the y for this point is also 1. So 1, 1. And then we'll draw a line through them, and we're finished.